Welcome to AI World. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of neural networks. Let's explore what they are and how they're revolutionizing the tech industry. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that mimics the structure and function of the human brain. They're designed to recognize patterns in data by constantly analyzing vast amounts of information. The more data they process, the more accurately they can identify patterns. These intelligent systems have advanced significantly over the years, leading to amazing innovations in voice recognition software and self-driving cars. In fact, neural networks can even outperform humans at tasks like image recognition. As we continue to dive deeper into this exciting field, neural networks will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping our future. They have the potential to transform various industries, from medical diagnosis to financial analysis and beyond. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of neural networks. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates.